single carded figures themselves. I bought 3 of them, and so I could have a little unit. But let me just show you them on card, because they're not as appealing on card as you would think. I know the bubble's a little bit glary, but well, I mean, look at this art first of all. It's a really interesting piece of art. It makes it. You can see the container of deep water in the diver's hand. One thing I'd like to point out is, yes, he can hold the deep water in his arm. You can, if you mess around with it, he essentially has to hug it. But little aqua thrusters on it and air tanks. The let me show you. The deep water itself has little aquatic details on the surface of it that actually look like water. And I was thinking of getting Crimson Guard troopers, but I actually like these a lot more because they've got so much gear to them. Granted, they don't have any web gear per se, but they've got this cool silver Cobra logo on their chest, and these pouches and packs and things. On card, it looks like there's not much armor to it. It looks too slim compared to some other Cobra figures, but you get a lot of accessories, and the gun, which is right here, has a little pistol pouch, and you can see the bottom of the gun pointing out at the bottom. It may just be paint. Okay, the rifle itself is cool. It's got a scope and stuff. Articulation, I've only really been I really was initially disappointed with the way the arms move, but it's really more like, but you just reverse it while it's outside of when you take it out of the packaging. Just rotate these arms all the way around 360 degrees, and then you'll have them with their full degree of posability. I don't know why they package them with the short range of motion on the arms out, but I guess it just makes it cleaner to store them. You can also take this mask off, which I think looks cool if you just want to have a trooper and take off the fins. Look at all that stuff. Look at that mountain of equipment you get with this diver. That's amazing. Considering I bought a single carded Hawk and all he came with was his hat and his gun. Walk patrols, just like any other Cobra officer. Neat little mask. Do traditional to me than an eel. And until next time, Pop Culture Hero, signing out. Oh, what's this? Universe Hotshot? Okay, well, since Universe Hotshot insists on not being put on the back burner for G.I. Joes, we'll just get this out of the way. Comes with his Jolt minicon. Jolt's plastic quality isn't phenomenal, especially in the legs, but I think that may be just a matter of them being so hollow. Anyway, all you do is you unfold it, and I've already got it the right way. Just have to unpeg it and flip up. Okay, and there's Jolt. You can expand the ball-jointed legs a bit. Jolt, you can get him to stand up. He's not really wanting to for me right now, but you can. These are shaped kind of funny to become. In the side is actually fully detailed. If you've been following the Universe line with its 25th anniversary, you can see the neat progression between all the mini-bots, starting with the tape cassette Ravage that comes with Hound, the Target Master era, which comes with Cyclonus, and then finally the Minicon Jolt, which comes with Nightstick, was the Target Master, and the Minicon Jolt, which comes with Hotshot. So a neat little transition, a little cross-section of mini-bot continuity. Alright, here's Hotshot in vehicle mode. It's a very good homage to the Armada 1. I don't actually have the original Armada 1. I got the Power Links repaint because it had the cool flames on the front, but it's a hot rod styling. But you know, I actually like that one mainly for the gimmicks, but I did wish it had a lot more articulation, and this one is sort of like an alternator version of a hot shot. I know that might be creepy to some. He has opening doors. Neat. He rolls super well. Click, click. Lots of clicking, lots of panels that snap together, and stay solid. Even if you throw it around a bit, it's not going to come loose. It's got a mini-con port on the back end. The license plate reads Jam, reference to a little meme kind of Transformers webcomic thing. Idea of how it works, of course. How about the feet and heel spurs? First of all, like that. Get that out of the way. The backpack, and then you grab the legs and try and fold the black piece. See, all this stuff is going to try and simultaneously move in every direction possible for some really cool stuff. It even feels kind of spring-loaded in this leg section. I don't know if that's just gravity. It feels a little, I think it's just gravity, but it's got this weight to it that's really satisfying. And all the pieces are moving against each other. Fortunately, I'm actually starting to use bolt pins again. So less popping off with this figure. Let's see. I believe I have to flip the black piece onto the backpack. And with that, we've already got him half transformed because we managed to get that black piece over the shoulders. So all that's left is to get all the armor. Sorry about that jumpiness. Get the armor folded away. Windows on the legs. Flip away. Come around to the front. You can hook up there on that mini-con peg, but Jolt doesn't want to secure very well. I don't know why. Just some incompatibility between the ports. Could have something to do with Jolt's plastic quality. He just likes to pop off at slightest touch. I don't really like that, but you know, you can pop this onto someone else or just leave him hanging out. Yeah, hot shot. Oh, one more thing. This little space helmet visor looks more like a space helmet with the Universe figure, but it's a good little set, especially if you just want a Transformer that's great to mess with. If you're one of those, it's one of the most complicated Transformers I've been able to pick up from the main line in a good while.